Hi, my name's John. I'm Service Manager for Retigo UK. Today I'm here to show you our offering for an inline water filter solution for our range of combination ovens. This model is new to us, about 12 months, and it's created to provide a solution for hard water areas but can be used on a whole range of our appliances. It is a salt-based water softener, can be used category fluid 2, so it's safe for potable water, and it could use, as I say, on our whole range of ovens. It is battery or mains supplied, so either or can be used, or both, and it can be used on hard water up to 20 degrees German, which is about 400 degrees parts per million. So the dual water zone technology built into this device allows us to provide near constant softened water to near RO quality. In fact, one of these has been on trial for 24 months on a 5 oven site and has given us excellent results at nearly 0 degrees German hard water. So highly recommended really for multiple appliances, including our tower solution, that you install one of these, because the amount of money that these things can save is tremendous. Installation wise is as simple as a normal base exchange inline water softener as in any other. There's a water inlet feed and an outlet feed on the side here, or this can be changed to the right hand side of the appliance depending on the installation location. This can be installed next to the appliance or remotely. Just some extra pipe work may need to be installed in order to do it. It will work down as low as 1 bar water inlet pressure and up to 5 bar, so the broad range of water pressure that this can be used for, and it gives us near 0 nominal outflow restriction on the outlet as it's connected to the appliance. Salt wise, this will take 0.6 kilos of salt to be full. Once it is full, that will take up to 6 regens to deplete. So salt wise, it's very good on salt usage, which again is very good on price compared to other products that are out on the market that would be filtered.